Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can take help of AI for learning Java. As you know, Java is one of most popular languages and it can be used for software testing too. Those who are very new for learning Java as well as software testing, this video will be very helpful for themselves. So today I'll show you how you can take help AI for writing if-else statement in Java. Then first question is, what is if-else statement? In Java programming, if-else statement is a conditional statement that allows you to execute different blocks of code based on whether a certain condition is true or false. So here is two example. First example, if within the parenthesis there is a condition, if this condition is true, it will execute the first block of code. If it is false, it will go to the else block and will execute that code. Also, it can have multiple blocks. Like if second example, if first condition 1 is true, then it will execute the first block of code. If first condition is false and second condition is true, then it will execute the second block of code. If condition 1 and condition 2 both are false, then it will go to the else block and will execute those code. So we'll ask today in ChatGPT, which is one of popular AI, that how to write if-else statement code. Then we'll take that code and we'll implement in Eclipse. Let's see how it works. So first, open any browser, then go chatgpt.com. You need to have ChatGPT account in order to execute those things. Otherwise, you cannot. So I have already account and I logged in already. So here is you can write any message. Also there is a category in below, create image, surprise me, analyze data, code, anything you can select from here or you can directly write in here. So first I'm going for code. So in the code I can write, can you please write if else if for Java programming. So when you will learn, you will write the command prompt like this way. You can hit enter or you can also click over here. So it will analyze your question, then it will start writing. You see, it has already been written all the code. So now in order to prove this code is okay or not, we can copy the code from here. Then you need to go to the Eclipse. Already I have project package created. Those who are very new in Eclipse IDE, I have a separate video for that, how to create project package and class. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So here is the com.tutorial my package. Right click, then new, then class. So let me put the class name like this way, AI example if else. So we are taking main method from here. In order to run Java class, you need main method, then click finish. So here you see already within the main method, we need to write the code over here. So we already copied the code from ChatGPT. Let me paste it over here. So here already we created main method and class. We don't need that thing, number one thing. And also we don't need this block because also this one, because those are the thing, and save it. Let's say for learning purpose, I told you here what ChatGPT did, declare a variable 15, then if number greater than 15, first greater than 20, that means we declare variable 15, that number greater than 20, then it will execute this block. This statement is not true because 15 is not greater than 20. That means it will not execute. Then again, else if number greater than 10, that means this statement is true. It will execute this block. If both are false, then it will go for the third block of code. So let me save and run it. Right click, run as Java application. You see, the number is greater than 10 but less than or equal to 20. So it executed this block. That means it is exactly correct the way it needs to behave. So also we can do that thing if we can do like if we change the number, like here we can do 25. If we do 25 into the declaration, save it, that means now this condition is true. That means it will execute this block of code. So right click, run as Java application. So the number is greater than 20, first block of code. Now if both condition is false, like that way we can make it false, first one. So equal, that means it is this number equal to 20. Also second block of code, if we can make it like number is less than 10, that means this statement is not true because 25 is not equal to 20, and also number less than 10, this is not also true. That means first block of code, it is false, this one is false. Now it will execute else block of code, third block of code. So let's see, save it and run it, right click, run as Java application. You see the number is 10 or less. That means in this way you can learn Java, any programming or Selenium or anything, whatever the programming language is, software testing, Java programming, Python programming, anything you can learn from AI, and just take the code and you can implement it IDE. Thereafter you will understand all the code, how it is going on. I believe those who are very new in Java programming, this video will be very helpful as AI is helping for writing the code. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.